Have you ever wondered what life is like beyond our earthly confines, in the vast expanse of the cosmos? The allure of the unknown has always drawn our gaze skyward. Among the stars, we've found a home, the International Space Station. This marvel of human ingenuity embodies our relentless pursuit of knowledge and the spirit of exploration. It's more than a structure, it's a symbol of international collaboration and our shared desire to reach beyond our world. The International Space Station, a beacon of human achievement, floats above us in the cosmic sea, a testament to what we can accomplish when we reach for the stars. The International Space Station didn't just appear overnight. It is the result of years of planning, collaboration, and arduous labor. The International Space Station, or ISS, is a marvel of modern engineering, and its birth is a testament to the power of international collaboration. This floating laboratory wasn't built on Earth and then launched into space in one piece. Instead, it was meticulously assembled in orbit, piece by piece, over the course of numerous missions spanning more than a decade. The construction of the ISS began in the late 90s, following the end of the Cold War. This period marked a shift from competition to cooperation in the space sector. Countries that once sought to outdo each other in the space race, like the United States and Russia, came together with other nations, including Europe, Japan, and Canada, to embark on this ambitious project. The assembly of the ISS was an immense undertaking. It involved the work of hundreds of astronauts from around the globe and the launch of dozens of missions. Some of these missions were dedicated to bringing up the large modules and components of the station, while others were focused on assembling these pieces in the harsh, unforgiving environment of space. But all of these efforts were not just about building a structure in space. They were about creating a platform for scientific discovery, a testbed for technologies that will drive future space exploration, and a beacon of international cooperation. The construction of the ISS has been instrumental in furthering our understanding of how to live and work in space, paving the way for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. In the end, it took over a decade to construct the ISS, a feat of engineering that stands as a symbol of global unity. This remarkable structure, orbiting some 250 miles above our heads, serves as a constant reminder of what humanity can achieve when we work together towards a common goal. Now that we know how the ISS came to be, let's delve into its purpose. At its core, the ISS is a state-of-the-art laboratory, a place where scientists from around the world can conduct experiments in microgravity. This unique environment allows for research that would be impossible on Earth, leading to breakthroughs in fields like medicine, biology, and physics. But the ISS isn't just a laboratory. It's also a hub for international cooperation. It's a testament to what can be achieved when nations set aside their differences and work together. The station was built and continues to be operated by 15 countries, including the United States, Russia, Canada, Japan, and many nations of the European Space Agency. From the ISS, astronauts also have a unique vantage point to observe both Earth and the cosmos. They monitor natural disasters, track climate change, and even help us better understand phenomena like black holes and dark matter. In essence, the ISS is a symbol of human curiosity and our thirst for knowledge. It pushes the boundaries of what we know about the universe and ourselves. It's a stepping stone to the farthest reaches of space, a gateway to the future of exploration. The ISS is more than just a floating laboratory. It's a beacon of hope for international cooperation and the future of space exploration. So, what is life like aboard the International Space Station? Imagine waking up, not to the sound of an alarm clock, but to the gentle nudge of mission control. Your day begins in a sleeping bag tethered to the wall, a necessary adaptation to prevent floating around in your sleep. Just like back on Earth, hygiene is essential, so brushing your teeth and washing your face come next, albeit with specially designed tools to handle the absence of gravity. Next up is breakfast, but forget about eggs and bacon sizzling on a stovetop. Here it's all about rehydratable and heat-treated meals. The menu may be different, but astronauts still get their essential nutrients and even enjoy some of their favorite foods from home. Work is the main order of the day. Astronauts spend their day conducting scientific research, maintaining equipment, or even performing spacewalks for repairs and upgrades to the ISS. The microgravity environment offers unique opportunities for experiments that simply aren't possible on Earth. from biology and medicine to physics and astronomy. Exercise is a crucial part of every astronaut's daily schedule. With no gravity, muscles and bones can weaken, so astronauts must work out for about 2 hours each day. They use specially designed equipment that allows resistance training in a weightless environment. And what about downtime? Well, leisure activities include watching movies, reading, playing musical instruments, and even making video calls to loved ones back home. And let's not forget the unparalleled views of Earth. Astronauts often say that gazing at our beautiful planet against the backdrop of the cosmos is a favorite pastime. But living in space isn't just about the day-to-day. Astronauts must constantly adapt to the unique challenges of life in microgravity, from the physical changes their bodies undergo to the psychological effects of isolation and confinement. Living aboard the ISS isn't easy, but for the astronauts who call it home, the unique challenges are part of the thrill of living in space. The ISS is more than just a marvel of the present, it's a stepping stone to the future. As we gaze into the vast expanse of space, we can't help but wonder what the future holds for the International Space Station and space exploration as a whole. The ISS has been an invaluable asset for space exploration, and its future looks just as promising. It is expected to continue to operate until at least the late 2030s, during which time it will serve as a platform for even more groundbreaking research. Scientists will continue to conduct experiments in a wide array of fields, from astronomy to medicine, all in the unique environment of microgravity. But the ISS is more than just a scientific laboratory. It's also a symbol of international collaboration. Space agencies from over a dozen nations have worked together to build and maintain the ISS. This unprecedented level of cooperation has not only made the ISS possible, but it has also paved the way for future joint space exploration missions. In the coming decades, we can expect to see even more international collaborations. For instance, there are plans to build a lunar gateway, a small spaceship that will orbit the moon and serve as a base for lunar exploration. Much like the ISS, the gateway will be a joint project involving multiple countries, and that's not all. The ISS is also crucial in preparing us for the ultimate goal, sending humans to Mars. The station provides an ideal environment for testing technologies and studying the effects of long-duration space travel on the human body, both of which are critical for a successful mission to Mars. As we continue to explore the cosmos, the role of the ISS will evolve. It may one day serve as a waypoint for astronauts traveling to distant planets, or it could become a hub for commercial space travel. The possibilities are as limitless as space itself. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, the ISS will remain a testament to human ingenuity and our ceaseless quest for knowledge. From its construction to the daily lives of its inhabitants, the ISS is truly a marvel of human achievement. This colossal structure floating in the sea of cosmos is a testament to international collaboration and technological advancement. It's not just a space station, it's a symbol of humanity's relentless pursuit of knowledge and exploration. Born from the collective efforts of nations, the ISS serves as a beacon, guiding us towards a future where we may call space our second home. It's a hub of scientific discovery where experiments conducted in microgravity unlock new understanding about our universe and ourselves. Life aboard the ISS is a dance with gravity, a daily routine that speaks volumes about human adaptability. Astronauts there are not just spacefarers, they are pioneers, leading us into a new era of exploration and discovery. As we gaze at the stars, let us remember the International Space Station, a shining example of what we can achieve when we reach beyond our Earth.